Hello everybody watching Access to Mathematics is YouTube channel. Today I'm going to solve some problems from grade 8 mathematics students textbook under exercise 2C. For any questions or clarifications in mathematics, physics and English subjects, please reach us with either of the following options. fakada@gmail.com 0941 58 75 75 or directly write your questions or comments under the comment section of newly uploaded videos. Okay, under exercise 2C, the first problem I want to solve is question number 5, and it says that by what number must be 566 divided so as to give a quotient of 15 and a remainder of 11? Here we are given that division mathematical operation, and dividend is equals to 566, quotient is equals to 15 and remainder is equals to 11. Let's write it down. First given is the mathematical operation is division mathematical operation, and the dividend is 566, quotient is equals to 15 and remainder is equals to 11. The required is the divisor. As a solution, we can rewrite the division mathematical operation as this relation. Dividend is equals to quotient times divisor plus remainder. This is the general formula that relates dividend, quotient, divisor and remainder. So, substituting all the given and required here above, in this general formula, we have 566, which is the dividend, is equals to 15, which is the quotient, times the divisor d, plus remainder is equals to 11. So, performing this and writing in short form, we have 566 is equals to 15d plus 11. Now, rearranging and collecting like terms, we have 566 minus 11 is equals to 15d. So, the difference between 566 and 11 is 555, and which is equals to 15d. Now, this equation becomes a multiplication operation where 555 is product, 15 is multiplicand, and d is multiplier. So, when the multiplier is unknown and the product and multiplicand are known, so the procedure to find the multiplicand is to divide the product by the multiplicand. So, d is equals to the product, which is 555 divided by 15. So, the answer is 37. Okay, let's proceed to the next question. The next question, which is question number 6, says that I thought of a number and doubled it, then add 3. The result multiplied by 4 came to 52. What was the number I thought of? Solution. Let the number I thought of be x. Then, if the number I thought of be x, then when I double it, it becomes 2x. So, when I double it, it becomes 2x. Then, add 3. When 3 is added to 2x, it becomes 2x plus 3. Now, then the result multiplied by 4 came to 52, which means 2x plus 3 times 4 is equals to 52. So, let's write it like this. 2x plus 3 times 4 is equals to 52. Now, this equation becomes a multiplication operation where 2x plus 3 is a multiplicand, 4 is a multiplier, and 52 is a product. So, to find the multiplicand, the procedure we have to do is to divide the product by a multiplier, the multiplier. So, 2x plus 3 is equals to 52 divided by 4, which is 13. So, the required here is the value of x. So, since 2x plus 3 times 4 is equals to 52, we have 2x plus 3 is equals to 52 divided by 4. which is 13. So now it becomes 2x plus 3 is equals to 13. Collecting like terms, we have 2x plus 3 is equals to 13 and 2x is equals to 10. So x is equals to 10 divided by 2, which is 5. Good. Let's proceed to the next question. The next question, which is question number 7, says that one number is 3 times another and 4 times the smaller added to 5 times the greater amounts to 133. Find the solution. Let the smaller number be x and the greater number be y. Then, as given here, one number is 3 times another. So, y is 3 times x because we assume y is the greater one. So, another relationship from here is 4 times the smaller, which is 4 times x, plus means added to 5 times the greater, 5 times y is equal to 133. So, this is also a given. So, now substituting equation 1 into equation 2, we have, okay, before that, the required here is values of x and y. So, to proceed, substituting equation 1 into equation 2, we have 4x plus 5 times, in place of y, we substitute 3x, which is equals to 133. Now, simplifying this one, 4x plus 15x is equals to 133. Now, this is 4x and 15x added to 19x, and which is equals to 133. Now, 19x is equals to 133 becomes a multiplication operation where 19 is a multiplicand, x is a multiplier, and 133 is the product. So, since the multiplier is not known and the product and the multiplicand are known, the procedure we have to follow to find the multiplier is to divide the product by the multiplicand. So, 19x is equals to 133, which means x is equals to 133 divided by 19. So, x is equals to 7. Now, substituting the value of x in equation 1 and solving for y, we have y is equals to 3 times x, which means 3 times 7, which is 21. So, the two numbers required in the problem are x is equals to 7 and y is equals to 21. Let's come to the challenging problems. Question number 8 says, a certain number is increased by 5. One half of the result is 3/5 of the excess of 61 over the number. Find the number. Let's read it again. If a certain number is increased by 5, one half of the result is 3/5 of the excess of 61 over the number. Find the number. So, here, if the number which we call here is certain number is x, then increased by 5 means x plus 5. Then, one half of the result means x plus 5 divided by 2 is 3/5 of means 3 over 5 times the excess of 61 over the number. So, since the certain number in this problem is denoted by x, so excess of 61 over x means 61 plus x. Thus, if we assume that the number is x, then it becomes 1 over 2 times x plus 5 because x increased by 5 means x plus 5. One half of the result of this means x plus 5 divided by 2. Then is 3/5 of means 3 over 5 times the excess of 61 over the number means x plus 61. So this is given in problem, in the word problem orally. So Finding common denominator for this, we have the common denominator for this equation is 10, and multiplying both sides by the common denominator, it becomes 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. So 5 times in the bracket x plus 5 is equals to 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. So 2 times 3 into x plus 61. So this implies that 5 times x plus 5 is equals to 6 times x plus 61. Distributing these factors, 5x plus 25 is equals to 6x plus 336. Collecting like terms, we have 5x minus 6x is equals to 336 minus 25. So negative x is equals to 341. So since the required number is x, not negative x, we have to divide this quantity by negative 1. So when we divide this by negative, both sides of this by negative 1, x is equals to negative 341. Question number 9 says, divide 54 into two parts so that 4 times the greater equals 5 times the less. Okay. As a solution, let the two numbers which are part of 54 are x and y. And x is the less, y is the greater, part of 54 respectively. So, as given here, x plus 4 is equals to x plus y is equals to 54 because the two parts of 54 are x and y. And it says that 4 times the greater equals, we have declared here that y is the greater one. So 4 times the greater is equals to 5 times the less. Let this called equation 2. So from equation 2 we have y is equals to 5x over 4. Let this equation be equation 3. Now substituting equation 3 into equation 1 and solving for x, we have x plus 5x over 4 is equals to 54. Now multiplying both sides of equation 4 by 4, we get 4x plus 5x is equals to 216. Now 4x plus 5x becomes 9x. So 9x is equals to 216. Now this equation becomes multiplication operation, and 9 is multiplicand, x is multiplier, and 216 is product. To find the multiplier, what we have to do is to divide the product, which is 216 to the multiplicand, which is 9. So x is equals to 216 divided by 9, which is 24. So substituting the value of x in equation 1 and solving for y, we have y is equals to 30. So the two numbers required in the program are x is equals to 24 and y is equals to 30. Therefore, the two parts of 54 mentioned in the problem are 24 and 30. Question number 10 says that prove that the sum of any 5 consecutive numbers is divisible by 5. Okay. Solution. As a solution, let the first number which from the 5 numbers which we are considering is x. Then the second number becomes x plus 1. The third number becomes x plus 2. The fourth number becomes x plus 3. And the fifth number becomes x plus 4. Then the sum of these numbers become x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4. So adding and getting the result of this, we have the sum of these numbers becomes x plus 1 plus x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4. So sum is equals to 5x plus 10. Now, taking 5 as a common, we have x plus 2, 5, sum is equals to 5 into x plus 2. So, sum here sum can be written as a product of 5 and some other number called x plus 2. So, clearly, this number which is denoted by sum is divisible by 5. Therefore, the sum of any 5 consecutive numbers is divisible by 5. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Bye bye.